Ever feel like your tag management system is a cluttered mess? Let's get straight into the heart of simplifying your Google Tag Manager setup. This tutorial walks you through creating and configuring an easy-to-use editor first. Make sure you're logged into your Google Tag Manager account then. Let's get started. Navigate to the admin section in your GTM interface. This is usually located on the left side within admin. Locate and click on user management. This section is where you'll control who has access and, crucially, what they can do in your container. We're going to create a new user with specific editing permissions. Click the blue icon to add a new user in the Add User dialog. Input the email address of the person you want to grant editor access. Now, it's time to assign permissions under the Container Permissions section. Choose the desired permissions level. Select Editor. This permission level provides the user with the ability to modify existing tags, triggers, and variables, but also allows them to create new changes, but not publish them, add or adjust the user settings as you are comfortable with. Once you've configured the permissions based on your needs, the essential step is to click Save. Congratulations! You now have a fully functional Google Tag Manager editor. With your new editor in place, easily modify existing tags by navigating to the Tags section and clicking on the tag you'd like to adjust, then click the Edit button. Make the needed changes from within this interface. Click Save and Submit. Managing and modifying your tags is now streamlined. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tips.